Had to pull off here on the way back south towards home port. Pismo Beach Pier, beautiful pier too. Oh my gosh, and it's a beautiful morning. Going south that way, take the 101 south, maybe even the 1 south for a little while, then jump back on the 101 to the 405.
Yes.
Go guys. Pismo Beach cinnamon rolls. It's all they serve is cinnamon rolls. How cool is this, Pismo? You're awesome. 3-hour parking, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Huh? How cool is that? Thank you, Pismo. Some beaches are cool towns. Oh, we're gonna get a Motel 6 right by the pier. Pismo Beach. 2 hours away, 3 hours away from LA and all them areas, guys. Beautiful little town. Moon Doggies. Let's hear it for Moon Doggies. West Coast attitude. Oh, cool little shirts right there. I will never apologize for being American. Amen. Cool. Very cool shirt. Oh, nice. Love it, baby. Blue collar. Come on, guys. A bowling alley. Pismo Bowl. Damn. Entertainment, a lot of entertainment around here. Family entertainment, bowling entertainment, Pismo entertainment, Pismo Beach. Gotta love it. Pismo Cafe. T's Red Tacos. Oh, look at this place. What was this? Cool little building. It's 𝐒𝐭𝐚𝐫𝐝's Pizza and Torpedo Factory. Oh, I'm glad I stopped down here at Pismo Beach. Pismo Beach Hotel. Donuts, coffee. Oh, that is a cool picture right there. Gotta get that one. There's got a great bus. I'm telling you, man, it's awesome inside. Good luck, brother. Starboard bow. Gonna go ahead and end that video right here. Thanks for watching, guys. It was a short trip down here from Morro Bay, only about 5-6 hours. Had a chance to jump in the ocean on the way down. Met a few cool people. Had a good time, guys. So I want to thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing, guys. Don't forget to hit that bell next time a video comes up. And guys, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Again, guys, thanks again, and we'll talk to you later.